How to fix shadow AI, the AI your company doesn't know is there. Shadow AI is artificial intelligence running inside companies without anyone knowing. I talked about it before, and it has gotten worse. Here in the US, every employee opens 3 or 4 AI tools a day. None of them approved. Inside go, contracts, client emails, spreadsheet, source code, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. An employee clicks sign in with Google on a new tool, and that tool gets read and write access to the entire company workspace, drive, mail, documents, and the traffic never touches the corporate network. So nobody sees it. And banding doesn't work because people will use AI anyway. So here, 5 practical moves. First, a real inventory, OAuth audit, browser extension scan, internal survey, and ask, help us keep you safer. And they answer. Because asking, are you breaking the rules? They don't, they lie. Second, a policy written for humans. Approved tools listed. Data that never goes into an AI. Verified training opt-out for every tool. Fast process to request the new ones, that's important. Third, find the fast lane, because an employee waits 6 weeks, find a workaround in 2 days. Fourth, a browser-based monitoring, because that's where AI lives now. Personal devices too, but their only culture works. And fifth, just-in-time coaching. A short alert when someone opens an off-list tool, and with alternative ready. 30 seconds worth more than once-a-year training, because employees are the first entry point of attacks, and they have to become the first line of defense. Attention after a course or an incident fades in weeks, because without ongoing training, everything goes back to how it was. What do you think?